In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce with Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll have a live connection you can refresh anytime to analyze Salesforce data right inside your workbook. Start by opening Microsoft Excel. You can use a blank workbook or any existing file where you want the data to land. Saving the file now is a good habit, especially before you create connections. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon. This is where Excel's Power Query features live, and it's the hub for bringing in data from external systems like Salesforce. Choose Get Data, then From Other Sources, and pick Blank Query. This opens the Power Query editor, which lets you define exactly how Excel should connect and what it should pull. In the editor, click the formula bar and type Excel Salesforce. Data, then press Enter. This is a Power Query M function. Behind the scenes, it calls the Salesforce connector and returns a navigable list of objects and reports from your org. Think of it as asking Excel to talk to Salesforce and show you what's available. If you don't see the formula bar, turn it on from the View menu in the editor. You'll be prompted to edit credentials. Click that. Excel needs to know how to authenticate before it can list anything. Selecting the right sign-in method here ensures the connection stays secure and refreshable. If your organization uses single sign-on or multi-factor authentication, you'll follow the same security steps you normally do in the browser. Now sign into your Salesforce account and click Connect. Make sure you're using the correct environment, such as production or sandbox, so you don't accidentally point to the wrong data. After you authorize the connection, the navigator will appear with your Salesforce objects and reports. From there you can select what you need and load it to a worksheet or into the data model for pivot tables and Power BI-style analysis. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Keep Excel updated so you have the latest connector improvements. If you run into access errors, check that your Salesforce profile has API enabled and that you can see the objects you're trying to query. Finally, once the data is loaded, use Refresh or Refresh All on the Data tab to pull the newest records without rebuilding the query. That's it. You've connected Salesforce with Microsoft Excel. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.